Good morning, everyone, and happy weekend. We are blessed with another nice day. So we are going to get on out to our garage and clean up a little bit. It has been a dumping ground for all things unwanted. Like I said in our previous videos, we've almost finished the massive renovation in our ensuite bathroom. So now we are just cleaning house, so to speak. And so we are trying to make some space in our garage for that and get ready to take things to the dump. And also just a general sweep out, make sure there's no rodents living in there because we are approaching winter, you guys. So we are trying to get everything fixed and cleaned up and worked out for the winter because who wants to do this in the winter? Nobody. We like to hibernate or go somewhere hot. Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yo-Hos. Now, I'm probably doing this a little bit prematurely because I heard that we're going to have some nice weather for the next little bit. But I thought, you know what, while I have a minute, I just want to take these cushions and put them down in our storage room and call it a day. Oh, and all those boxes behind the door, yes, they're for our daughter. She is moving, so we are saving boxes for her. There's more. Hold on. You guys, are they not getting big? They're 10 pounds each and growing still. Let's say almost 10 months. If you guys haven't seen that video on when we first adopted them from the shelter, I will link that below. Oh, it was so cute. I cry every time. How fun are these buckets? But what I'm going to do maybe is like spray them like a matte black. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to keep them in my stash. I'm thinking maybe something winter related for these buckets. I'm not sure. So keep your peepers open for that little craft. I'm thinking maybe something porch related, and that winter porch is coming soon to a theater near you. I'm just going to give it another little while and wait till the American Thanksgiving is over and then maybe start my Christmas thinking. But in the meantime, let's just move on. No, I'm not.
Here's me thinking everyone's gonna see Mark's secret of how he loads these things so well. Rip.
Never-ending job, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's insane. It's so messy so fast. Mark and the girls got me this pressure washer a few years back. I don't know if it was for Mother's Day or for my birthday or whatever. It was such a good purchase. It's fantastic. It's just electric, not gas powered, and the thing works like a charm. The only downfall is trying to store the dang thing, which it's upright. It's not too bad, but you know what I'm saying. One less little appliance. I don't even know what you would call it. One less little machine in our garage would be better, but what can you do? But it is fantastic. I'm going to take these mats and give them a good sweep too. My hair is staticky as heck. Make sure there's a little hole in it. Oh, I'm not going near it.
You want me to open it up and look?
Well, I don't know that I really want you to open it. Just this. Just maybe lie it down. I don't know, man, but they're not going to last long if there's any in there.
No, they would be start digging by now, right?
You would think so. Okay, we're not going to need this either, are we?
No, you're right.
So I'll have to, I'm just making a pile of the stuff if you want to maybe be able to get up here, hon. Did you plan on doing that at all today? Like, I could use a couple of Christmas things down now, so we don't have to move your car out. Oh. Is that not beautiful? This was that other thing that I got at the yard sale. I think it was like $5. Oh, I just couldn't resist. I have no idea what I'm using it for, but I needed it. You guys, public service announcement. Make sure your fire extinguisher is up to date. And if you don't have a fire extinguisher, you should go get one. So there you go. This is actually our second one. My parents had given us another one they had. So now we have two. Can't have too many, I guess.
All right, so what do you want down on top?
That Christmas bag that's up there. That whole bag right there.
Okay.
I think that's it. It's not happening right now, is it?
No. Snowman, snowman.
Can you lift this box for me, please?
Oh wow, okay. Good to know.
Yeah. Can we get our quarter back from Mount Hills?
Oh man. Good memories.
Yeah.
Want to?
Oh, that's cute. I forgot I had that. Oh!
I got you. Yeah, oh, me too, man. Like, my stomach was morale and fierce.
What do you want to do? Do you want to go like...
I want to have a skip the dishes driver show up by accident to our house with 5 McDonald's meals. Oops, you have to take them.
Mark!
That happens, right?
It sometimes. While I was editing this video, you guys, I was crying laughing. Look at us both at the exact same time, the same stance, pulling out something that we had previously wanted to donate or get rid of. We're both doing it at the exact same time. And then Mark gets up and like pretty much runs to the door to hide his little toy that he's found. But like, I died laughing. I think he thought he was going to get in trouble for keeping something. He didn't notice I was plucking out a winter coat that I had been meaning to donate probably about 3 years ago. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This garage is far from perfect. We know that, but it is a utilitarian storage area. And what more do you want? We don't need pretty. We just need a kind of an in and out zone. And we have gotten rid of all the leaves and our recycling. So now we just have to make a trip to the dump. Lucky us. So that will be probably next weekend, if not maybe the weekend after. We're going to kind of store up a good load for our SUV to take. And yeah, that's it. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let's hope it gives you a little motivation to get out there and do something while the weather is still nice before the weather turns not so nice. Have a good weekend, you guys. See you later. Bye.